Hi guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rach, and in today's video guys, this is day 3 in Diani guys, and it has been an amazing experience here in Diani. And today guys, I'm heading to Robinson Island, and others call it Baobab Beach. So I'm going there for the first time. So come with me guys, and let's see what Baobab Beach or Robinson Island has to offer for us guys. So enjoy the video guys. So guys, already we are at the Baobab Beach, and it's such a beautiful place to be guys. You can just see. So today's activity will be doing a little bit of boat riding, and here I'm just taking a little bit of videos guys before we start doing the boat riding. You can just see how I'm enjoying the sand and the ocean, and the view is just amazing of the ocean guys. Yeah guys, so let's chill a bit and wait the boat to come so that we can go for the ride.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
So guys, right now we want to start going for the boat ride, and I'm so excited guys for this experience of going for the boat riding guys, going to see the fish and exploring the ocean guys. I can't just wait. You can just see even the water and the sand is so white, even on the feet it's like giving it a therapy on its own. Oh my god, the feeling is just amazing guys. So let's go and explore the ocean and feel how the boat ride feels like.
And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
So guys, already we have started the boat ride, and the feeling of being at the boat is just amazing. The breeze and the view of the ocean is just amazing guys. And guys, kwa hikyo we'll be also seeing the fish. So let's go and explore the ocean. They'll be showing us different types of fish, and I'm so curious to see them for my very first time guys. So let's go and explore the ocean and just feel how it feels to be on the boat ride, guys.
Fish. And then
Nimeziona. Gosh, ndio hizi. Zazi ndio hii fish.
We call it zebra. Zebra fish, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah.
Zebra.
Naona they have a kind of zinakaa zebra.
And then we have parrot fish down there.
Parrot.
Parrot fish.
So guys, this guy is a diver, so he wants to go below the boat to go and feed the fish so that tunaweza ziona vizuri. Ndio huyu Nolan. Oh. Wow. So ni food nini anazipea?
Banana.
Okay. Ati what?
Bread.
Chapati. Fish inakula chapati?
Yeah. Easy. Yeah.
Okay.
Fish inakula easy. Garlic.
Aya.
Aya.
Marage.
Ndio huyo Nolan.
Fish inakula chochote. Hata nyama.
Wait.
Zebra fish, yeah?
Zazi, umeona fish?
That's the yellow one. The black one is pale.
Can you man you are black?
Oh, ameenda kustick hapo.
Picture.
Is it alive?
It's alive, yeah. It's alive. This one is a male. It's a male, yeah?
Zazi,
No poisonous. It's a friend.
starfish.
Male, yeah? The female, they don't
Friend.
Is it edible? Can it be eaten? Where is it? Yeah.
But why is it not moving?
It's moving when in the water.
Looks like a plant.
Zazi.
Put the
So guys, it's time to head back now, and we have really enjoyed ourselves, and we have seen different types of fish like starfish, spiderfish, we have seen the zebra fish, we have seen so many different types of fish, and it was such a wonderful experience seeing them for the very first time. Yeah guys, even the boat ride was very amazing guys. So let's head back. Beach watu wanahitaji
Hii watu wamesema kama BAOBAB Beach. Sasa naona kile tuna hotel pale ndio imebeba hii beach yote. It's like
but hii
BAOBAB.
beach ni safi, iko poa,
Eh,
but beach mingi huku side ya Diani ziko more cleaner kushinda hata Mombasa
na
yenyewe.
Mombasa. Yes,
Beach.
zile beach za Mombasa sijatembea.
Oh,
Mimi nimesikia hapa Diani sana.
okay. So guys, already we are out of the boat ride, and the experience was so amazing guys, going for the boat ride. Yeah, and hope you have enjoyed watching this video guys, and for those who haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel of I Am Rich, kindly hit the subscription button and support me guys, and I will really appreciate. And for those who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you so much for supporting me. I really appreciate, guys. So guys, I think I'll just end this video here and see you on the next one.
And I wanna know